So guys, let me show you how to enable and disable the camera focus enhancer on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So let's start by opening the camera on the phone. You can do it simply by swiping left if you have this widget downloaded on the lock screen. Or you can unlock the phone and find the camera from the menu. Just open it. And now, as you get closer to the subject you want to take picture of, notice the icon in the form of two small dots right here in the left corner on the bottom of the screen. This button is the focus intensifier. To activate this focus enhancer, simply tap the icon, like this. It will activate and the camera will start to help you focus better on your macro shoot. Let's take a photo now. Great. And if you want to deactivate the focus booster, tap the same icon again. And let's take a photo with this camera enhancer off. And let's compare these photos. So it is without camera enhancer and this is with camera enhancer. You can see how detailed the photo is. So yeah, that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.